Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be trying to beat Sinking Ship. And we're probably not going to beat it because you know how we lose a lot. But since this is the first ever episode of it, I think we're going to do great. Well, I'm gonna watch Michael Jackson play. I'm gonna see. Oh yeah, actually, so Looby Doo. Yeah, he just died. Okay, he says someone else like when we were playing together. He said he's. Oh no, not little again. No. Said he'll never talk to me then if I don't give him Roblox, which doesn't make any sense. That's just Roblox. There we are. It's probably gonna say I've been muted. It's probably gonna mute me. Here we go. Okay, I don't know. Let's just continue. Keep playing the game. I've seen a lot of people like flood escape videos, so I just decided to make one. I'm like, okay, I'm a high level, I'm so good, so why don't I just start doing flood escape? And then I thought about it all night, and I was like, okay, we gotta get Bandicam for this. So I got Bandicam, the full version, just for you, so then we can make better videos. So I set it all up, and it's all ready now, so it may be a little laggy, but we don't care about the lag, we care about how good we are. I think it is just a talk. How would you? That would be bad if you muted somebody and not even talking. Skills! Oh. So earlier when I was playing, I was doing really bad. I was acting like a noob in this game, like a Roblox Flood Escape noob, like a level 1er. I was acting like that. So there have been people saying, I'm a noob, you're a noob, you're a noob. Well, you're hacking. You're just a level 1er. How could you hack this game? And they could say, oh, you're hacking, but I was not hacking. They're saying I'm just a dumb level 1 noob that just hacks. But I'm nothing like that. You guys all know that, right? Hopefully you guys all know I don't hack. Because if you do know, have you ever seen, if I hack, I would not have a YouTube channel. Because then I would be able to, I would share, like, if I was a hacker, why would a hacker make a YouTube channel? Friendly YouTube. See, that's one of my new moves. It's because I'm playing on my bed. It's harder. Oh yes! Woo! Little can be good in some ways, but not very much. Do. So all the insanes I've ever done is this one. I've completed them all twice, but sinking ship. I've never completed sinking ship. All the other maps I've completed one. I don't know how many times. I've completed them a lot. All the other things I've completed them a lot. I've completed Gloomy Manor 5, 7 or 6 times. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? It's that hard? Just to press a button? Like, come on. Okay, that's it. I'm about to switch servers. Okay, I'm just gonna reset. There's no point. These people suck. Like, well, I should switch games. I'm gonna switch games after this video, because these people just suck so much. Oh, well, okay, how? You're not gonna make it. I don't know, but I don't get it. There's no point, because you're never gonna. Okay, the blue there, that's my favorite. The one I beat 6 or 7 times. But can I do it on a bed? That's the challenge of this. Can you? We're gonna see if I can. Unfortunately, I didn't. Okay, I'm alone on this one. No, that's what I mean. It's a challenge on the bed. Nobody else. Like he said, lol at me. He's being super mean. He's putting walls on me. He's just saying lol at me. And he's not making it. Okay, he's gonna say lol again because I'm alone. Yeah, I don't need people, okay? I don't need people for this tournament. You see, I'm not make it. You'll be surprised because I can make it. You say you'll never make it. You won't make it. You should just quit. No, I can make it. You beat this one. So don't doubt me. Because you never know. Bean can do this easy. Watch, I'm almost there, actually. You never doubt your boy Bean. Because Bean never gives up. I think I'm just gonna go give up, like, yeah, I'll give up. Nope, that's not me. And tomorrow, I'm able to do a video of Little Sam. Little Sam. I'm not Sam's, okay? I'm not little. But hey, he doesn't say hi Bean anymore. Should I mute him, actually? He said he would never talk. He stopped adding sin. If I don't give him Robux, he said that I'll never talk to you again. So he's not anymore talking. He's not talking to me anymore. That's it. He said he made his thing. He said he'll never talk to me again. And so far he's kind of cheating. He has not talked to me the whole entire time. Today or yesterday or today. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, that was close. Okay, we almost made it. And whatever you do, please just don't copy my tricks. Because I'm not liking when people copy my tricks. Some of them I made up. I don't know. I made a lot of these tricks up. So please, just do not copy them. For mine, and I made most of them actually. I made a lot of the chests that I have right now. I made thousands, not thousands, I made a lot though. I made 30 chests. Okay, I died. Holy, I haven't talked the whole time. I forgot I'm making a video. Whoops. So sorry, everybody. I'm so sorry. I totally forgot I was even making a video. I always get so confident of beating and, doing it. And then I just lose track. I'm like, what is going on here? And then I even forget. I forgot. I forget I am recording, and that gets to be. Oh, yeah, he's so dead. Okay, goodbye. Can't wait for the new map to come out today. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be Halloween stuff, hopefully. He said in a tweet, he's gonna add Halloween perks, like maybe Halloween, like maybe animations, paint, all that good stuff, all that neat stuff that can possibly be added to the game. Because the game right now is pretty good. I have the good stuff in it. I got the rainbow thing on my back, and he might even add some. A pet. Because I'd like to get those, because I got a lot of money. I got 1,000 or something. I'm gonna give me 1,000. Oh wait, maybe you could add like a cool vampire animation emote. Maybe one of those another cool emote. Maybe a pumpkin emote. I don't know. Maybe like a rose for a pumpkin. I don't know. Might even the werewolf animation pack. Okay, these people are getting making me. people are annoying me so much now. After this round, we might end the video here in 15 minutes now. I'm checking on the top, and it says it's been 15 minutes exact. So we might end it at 20 minutes. Okay, we might end it now. So we're not only getting an extra minute, which every map is like a minute. So we'll be able to do at least one more map. After this, it'll be the end of the video. We're in the video. This is the saddest. Because you know the basics intro. No, I don't do that dumb intro anymore. That intro is fake, and it's not even mine at all. And I just stole it from somebody. I went on YouTube, and I just like, okay, let's use this. And bam, I don't like it. I don't need the intro. Just the video. Ripple, yay! Because he's never been nice to me ever, really. Oh no, you didn't save anybody but me, Little. You only saved me. Oh, he's gonna save, but Bean is a horrible person. You're not a very nice person, Little. You've done so many mean things, begging for Robux, and if I don't give you Robux, then you're not gonna talk to me, and that's a threat. That's what I don't like about Little. He's not a nice person. He may look like a nice person. He's not at all. He's not a nice person, begging people for Robux. Calling himself a noob, saying that he joined Roblox 2015, which he didn't. He joined 2017. So I don't know how much lies they could make. Good job, Kobe. Not being sensitive. You did very good. Yeah, he doesn't even respond to me anymore. Okay, that's it. I'm going. He was like, oh no, I'm gonna fall. Uh-oh, you're too slow. That's what people say. Like, oh no, you're too slow, you're too slow, you're too slow. Yep. Meep. Oh, there's no sound. What is going on? Thanks, Cozy. Happy B-Day, my homie. Oh! Toy's here. Hey, Toy! Toy! Oh. Alright, doing. I'm making the vid with my voice in it. I'm making a vid with my voice in it. Yeah. Say hello. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yeah. So hey, say hello to the one and only Toy. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Toy. You look like you're terrified right now. You look like oh no, what am I gonna do? What do you do? Yeah, I see in the chat what you're doing. I see that beautiful shiny face. Whatever. Oh no, it's getting green. What is going on with your face? Are you embarrassed if someone is turning white? It's turning very white. And now it's pink. And bye guys. See you next video. Bye.